The purpose of this video is to show how to use folders as student turn-in folders in Google Drive. This is following the Managing Student Assignments using Google Apps Homework Method 3. Once your kids log into Google Drive, you will see the normal Drive interface. You need to walk them through creating a folder for you so that they can drag and drop their assignments into that folder as they're completed. For this section of the video, I'm going to act as the student. I'm going to access my Google Drive, and I need to create a folder. So I'm going to hit Create Folder. Now my teacher is going to tell me how they want me to name this folder in a convention that makes sense to both the teacher and the student. For example, it could be something like Block 1, and then the student's name, and then simply turn in at the end. This folder will now show up in my Google Drive. I also need to share this folder with my teacher. That way, whenever I drop in my assignments, my teacher has access to it. So there's a drop-down menu here. You click Share, and then type my teacher's name here in the invite. I'm going to share this with Ms. Ferraro. I'm also going to leave the Can Edit Properties because that way she can make comments and grade it as she goes. I'm going to hit Share and Save. And then I'm done. That's a one-time deal that I don't have to do again. Whatever assignments I have for Ms. Ferraro, I will just drag and drop them into that folder. You as the teacher now have a mess. Once your students have turned in the folders to you, you need to organize them in a way that makes sense to you. Go back to your Drive and create a folder for the 2013-14 school year. Once I have that folder, I can create subfolders inside, one for each block. So I'm going to create one for first block, one for second block. Once you have these folders created in your Drive, go back to Shared with Me, and you can arrange your folders by putting down this little drop menu. Drag and drop your students into the folder they belong. So I'm dropping Jordan, Robin, and Marge into my first block, and then I will drop Jason, Andy, and Alicia into my second block. Anytime the student drags and drops and adds something to their turn-in folder, it will show up here in your Google Drive because they shared it with you. So if we checked out Jordan's, she's turned in her board game project. When your kids upload files into their turn-in folder, there are two ways that they can do this. Jordan simply uploaded a file from a Word document. When we open this file, we see it like this. We cannot make any edits until we download it. It'll download here, and as soon as it's ready, I pop it up, and it opens as a Word document. I can enable the editing and simply make edit changes, changing words, changing spellings, things like that. However, if you want to be able to comment, your kids will have to upload a file like Alicia's. This is also a document file, but it was created in Google Drive, and that's why it has a different icon. With this, you can make your comments. So if I wanted to comment to her, I could say, Alicia, this will work. I think you need more elaboration. Hopefully I'm not asking her just to turn in 2 sentences for this assignment. She can then comment back to me and the thread can continue. Simply to make a Google Doc form, you need to go through the conversion process. This concludes Method 3 on how to create folders and share them with your students.